everyone, thank you so much for clicking and watching. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of my Sunday afternoon and maybe chime in to let you know what I'm looking at. Yes, so this is definitely one of many parks here in Pennsylvania, United States, and people can just sit, walk, just fish if they want. There's tennis courts, there's concerts, there's swimming pool. So this is where I'm at. What's that? I don't drink it all. Boba. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with my walk, and I'm actually very unfamiliar with other parts of this park. So let's see what I get into. Nice little walk here in Pennsylvania. I guess you could say in a cloudy day. Nice little walk on a cloudy day. So it seems to be a concert going on. So it's Sunday, July 9th, I think. Anyway, so 8th and 9th. And yeah, just walking in a butterfly garden, I guess. And I was walking, and I didn't realize, like, it's so dry, you know, and it's so, like, desolate in one area of Florida. So, like, I was walking, and I found out that where I was walking to, it was, like, secluded from, like, people and everything like that. And they had a sign that said alligators. So, like, you see, like, how that's like that. And then there's a little doggy park. Where's the dog I just saw? Oh, there he is over there. See him, guys? There he is. No, that's just the... Oh my gosh, that's just a decoration. I saw that guy there. I don't know where his doggy's at. Alright.